they put another one of these fall flavors. Yeah, cinnamon roll Pop-Tarts. Pop-Tarts, you have been hitting some freaking home runs lately, and if this is going to be another one, let's find out. Let's find out for both of us. Now I had these chilled, so there are all these fall different flavors. Apparently there's a pumpkin pie one, and it's a little, I don't know, but if we find it, we'll try it for you. But cinnamon roll, there's these big time things with cinnamon and big time things with Halloween, and we're gonna find out if this lives up to, I don't know, like an Annie Ann's type of thing, like you know, like one of those things you get at the mall that are like, you know, like they're as big as a steel chair. So let's just check this out. Look, I mean, nothing crazy with the thing. So let's break off a little piece. Okay, so we got a little piece. I actually had this chilled, so we're gonna just try right on the fly. You get Pillsbury vibes with this. I think I'm down with them. You know what? I'm gonna make this real simple. I'm gonna give you an A tier on this cinnamon roll Pop-Tarts. Brings you memories of dipping cinnamon rolls with that big fork and that big gigantic plate. This actually would probably be better heated, but I'll tell you what, it's not bad shelled either. Cinnamon rolls Pop-Tarts, you are on fire, literally. Keep up the good work. Happy whatever.